This tutorial we're going to cover installing, downloading, and installing the frame detailing program that works in conjunction with Portal Pro. So to do that, you want to go open up your particular browser and you'll paste in the address that was probably emailed to you. If you for some reason don't have that, you can contact the office, or you can pause this video right now and just write down this address so you can type it into your browser address bar. So once you do that, you'll hit the enter key and you'll get a pop-up at the bottom here. It says we want to go to this up arrow and click on Save As. So we're going to save the file to a folder, and it's already been saved here, so I'm going to go ahead and save it again anyway. And it opens up, or I'm sorry, it overwrote the existing file. So once the file's been downloaded, you'll see it says it's finished downloading. Open up the folder, and let's step back here a minute. I'm going to go ahead and delete this so I can show you what happens. Okay, so we have the zip file that you downloaded here. Just simply double click that file and you'll get it opens up in a window like this where you'll see two files and an extract all button. If for some reason you don't see this button, you'll probably see it off of the menu somewhere up here. But you basically want to click on extract. So don't try to run these files from here. Do not double click that setup.exe file, because this is still a zip file and it will not install correctly if you try that. So you need to extract them first, and you'll get this window here. It's going to extract into the same folder, Portal Pro, with this folder name, Frame Detail Launcher Setup. I leave this checked because I want it to open up after it finishes extracting. So we'll click extract, and when it's done, you'll see another window opens up, similar to the first one, but this one is now the extracted files. And you want to go ahead and just click on the setup.exe file. So we'll double click that. On Windows 10, you're going to see a window like this open. Just simply click on this More Info link here. When you do that, this button will open up, and click on Run Anyway. And at this point, it'll start the install and take all the default installation, yes, or continue. So we'll click Next. Leave that. Don't change the installation folder. Leave everything as is. Next. And when it's done, we click Close. So now we can go ahead and we'll close these folders. And when it's done with that installation, you'll see an icon on your desktop called Frame Detailing. So you'll double click that. And this first thing it does is it tells you to wait while the files are downloaded. Say OK to this. Just takes a couple of seconds, depending on your internet connection. But once it's finished, it automatically starts the install wizard again. So this file here is actually the launcher. Now we're going to actually install the frame detailing program. So again, take all defaults. Don't change anything. So we'll say Next. Leave that folder as is. Don't change it, because Portal Pro will use that to make sure you have the program installed so it can launch it. So we'll say Next. Next again. And once it's done, we click Close. Close this. Now we'll go ahead and start frame detailing again. Actually, we didn't even have to close it. You can click the button down here at the bottom, Start Frame Detailing. And this will launch the program. Now, once it finishes, a window opens up for the connection information. This will be the same information you received when you first installed Portal Pro to connect to your database. So enter that information here. If you don't have it, contact the office. We'll get the information to you. So once it's done, you save that information and click Close. So it tells you it's going to close now and to restart with the saved changes. We'll say OK. So when we restart the program, click Start Frame Detailing. And once it starts, it'll connect to your database, and up here you'll see a list of all the jobs that are currently in your database that you've entered. So it works off the same database as Portal Pro. So that's basically how you get through the download and installation of the frame detailing program. Please see the next video on how to actually use it. Thanks.